Hey everyone, it's Antonella. Today we're discussing the affiliate path to profits and making money. So there are two ways we get traffic to our product or service that we're offering. And as we know, it's the sale of that product or service that we're really shooting for. And that's really what turns us into a business. So free traffic are the things that we've been talking about as far as YouTube, which is my recommendation that you start with, because it ties so closely back to Google. But other sources are SEO, social media, Facebook, Instagram, podcasts. Paid traffic is something that I strongly recommend that you don't do initially, but it's where you pay money to put your product and service in front of people. It's very expensive because there's a lot of testing involved, and that's something people don't really talk to you about. So you will spend a ton of money doing that. Remember, what we're doing is a hobby until you make money, and then it's a business. At least that's what people keep telling me. You want to show up where your clients are. So whatever free traffic source you choose, you want to be where they are. Because if you're someplace where they don't hang out, it doesn't matter. They're not going to find you. The real trick here, and the best way to make money, is to go back to the fundamentals. Focus on your goals. You wrote a business plan when you started this. Look at that. And where do you want to be long-term? Pick one paid source and stick with it. Ties very closely with the shiny object syndrome. It's a real thing, people. You're going from one thing to the next to the next. It's so easy, especially in the beginning, and especially if you don't pick a program that has a lot of support with it, because you don't know what to do. You're trying things, it might not be working, and you give up before you actually have truly made any impact. More is not better. You want to take a step back, and you want to focus on getting ahead. Focus on getting one thing to work. Your business assets, you do have them. Your email list. As you put people on your email list, that's a really important asset. People will buy your business only for your email list. There's a dollar amount to every person on that list, because the list that you have are people who are motivated to purchase in that niche where your product or service is in. So you want to build a relationship so that you cultivate that relationship and you keep them on your list. You do that by, don't overburden them. You have products that you're promoting. Those can be your own products or services, or they can be affiliate products. Pick things that you use, that you know and you're familiar with. You can't make money on something that you know nothing about. And then another key here, remember we're talking about we want to be profitable, we want to make money. Strongly recommend don't pay for ads until you're making money from the product or service that you're promoting and selling. Couple of reasons. Once you have a solid list, that solid list is filled with people who are interested in the product or service that you're selling. They've either already purchased or they've expressed that interest. Second, that list now, you can feed that into your paid sources and do targeted advertising to people who are similar to the people on your list. And that's why it's important. Otherwise, you are spending, literally, it can be thousands of dollars just trying to figure out who to put your ad in front of before you've made a sale. And that's in addition to the investment that you are already making in training and programs to learn how to do whatever it is that you've decided you're going to do. If it's social media, you're going to need to be trained on how to do social media. If it's YouTube, you need to be trained on how to create those videos and how to get your videos, ranked on the first page of Google. So I'd love to hear from you. Where are your clients hanging out? The pro tip that I have for you is, once you know where your clients are, you want to show up there. But the pro tip here is they're all doing Google searches, so they are all going to show up on Google. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notify button. And tomorrow we'll talk about protecting the downside to guarantee success.